Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to discuss resources chapter. So it is a revision class for you, and today in our class we are discussing about the main concepts in this chapter because you'll be having this chapter for periodic assessment 1. Okay, first of all, what is a resource? So here see, I have underlined a sentence. Anything that can be used to satisfy a need is called a resource. I repeat, anything that can be used to satisfy a need is called a resource. And here you can see utility. So what is the meaning of utility? Usability. Utility or usability, which means the thing which has use, that's called utility. So the utility of a thing makes an object into a resource. That's why see here, utility or usability is what makes an object or a substance a resource. So resource is having a utility. That's why we use them. If it does not have, we will not call them as a resource. Now, value. So what is the meaning of value? Value is nothing but worth. Value means what, children? Worth. So some of the resources have economic value and some do not. We have discussed earlier that the air which we breathe, the sunlight which we get, the rain which we get does not have any economic value. Even the scenic beauty also. But some resources have some economic value. For example, metals, gold, silver, copper, whatnot. Whatever things which you are using, they have some worth or value. Okay. So now let's come. So with the help of this value, some people they discover some things. For example, they discover vaccine for the COVID or any kind of disease or any kind of thing. If they invented, they take a patent. They take what, children? Patent. It means no one should use your thing easily. So they'll take that patent. It's nothing but it's a permission from the government that no one should use their product or your product with the help of anybody. So here in textbook they have given the meaning, see, patent. It means the exclusive right over an idea or invention. If you invent anything or if you discover any idea also, that on that idea or invention you are taking a right. So that belongs to you only. No other should use it. That's called patent. Okay. Let's see. Now, so what are the two important factors of the resource, children? Yes, it is time and technology. Time and technology are the two important factors that can change substance into resources. So children, we also, it means the people also are most important resource because it is our ideas, our knowledge. Children, with the help of our ideas and knowledge, we discover something or we invent something. So that creation may become a resource. So people also are most important resource, children. Okay. And now discussing about the types of resources. Discussing about types of resource. In the types of resources, these resources are classified into natural, human-made and human. Once again I repeat, there are three types of resources, or resources are classified into three types. One is natural, human-made and human resources. So all the human beings who are qualified, who are skillful people, they are comes under human resource. What are human made resources? The resources which are made by the human. For example, the structures, the buildings, the dams, the bridges, whatnot, all the things which has been made by the human beings are called human made resources. And now the natural resources. Of course, whatever things which are available in the nature which we use them, those are all belongs to natural resources. Now let's see natural resources. Resources that are drawn from the nature and used without much modification. For example, the air which we are breathing, we are not doing any modification. We are inhaling the air directly. That's why it is a natural resource. Likewise, the water in the rivers and lakes, soil also, which we are using for cultivation. So all these are resources. Which resources? Natural resources. So they are the free gifts of nature. Okay. So in some cases, tools and technology also may be used to turn the natural resource into the best possible way. For example, iron ore will be available. No, we turn the iron ore with the help of technology in the industry by using some tools, by using some machinery. We convert the iron ore into iron. Likewise, next one comes to the resources classified based on the level of development and use. So this thing, children, tomorrow we are going to discuss. So for now, what you'll do is, till here, whatever things which we have learnt, you frame a key points. Understand? You prepare a key points and keep it with you. So revise the chapter, children. Once again, I tell you all the best.